Hey everyone, factory update. We are starting to process the steel here. So it's already been rolled, and right now the guys are sandblasting on the inside, and they're removing all the rust. Once the rust is out, then we're going to put a protective coating over the top to protect it from rust. So this is kind of the first step, and then once the inside's been done, then we'll do the outside. So we have a couple of rolls here we need to do, and there's in total, I think there's about 8 that need to be completely processed, but it's a couple hours to do this process. I think probably within 2 days we should have all of the rolls done, and then another 1 or 2 days have it all painted and protected. That will make sure that when the steel's in the water, it's not going to rust and can be protected from the saltwater environment. We may be looking at a different process for doing this instead of using sand, but that's going to be a future thing. Looks like they're having a problem, so they're going to turn the compressor off. So basically we have a big compressing machine that forces it's a special called black pearl or black beauty sand, and it gets forced through into the nozzle and then sprays out and cleans the steel, forces all the sand off, or all the rust off. And what we're doing is actually create a little net area. It's not really a net, but it's catching all the sand, and then we're going to be able to recollect it and then reuse it once or twice, so it doesn't get wasted. We can use it more than once. But yeah, you can see the tarp is around here, and so we're going to collect it and then bunch it up again. We sift it with a little sifting machine and then reuse it.